Hi, and welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In today's video, we're going to talk about on how you can change password on Instagram. Maybe you wanted to know on how you can change your password on Instagram so that you can change your password. So today, I am going to teach you on how you can change your password on Instagram. Check the video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So without further ado, let's get into the video. First you need to do is to open your Instagram application. Once you open your Instagram application, tap on this profile icon at the lower right corner of the screen. Once you tap it, you'll see here the three lines at the upper right corner of your screen. Tap on it. And then in here, you'll see settings and privacy. Select it. And then in here, you'll see under the settings and privacy, your account. Tap on this account center. And then in here, simply scroll down and you'll see under the account settings, the password and security. Tap on this password and security. And then in here, to change the password, simply tap on this change password under the login and recovery. Once you tap on it, you need to choose an account to make changes. And then in here, you can change your password. You'll be logged out of all sessions except this one to protect your account if anyone is trying to gain access. Your password must be at least 6 characters and should include a combination of numbers, letters, and special characters. And then in here, you need to tap in your current password and then your new password. After that, tap on this change password. And if ever you forgot your password, simply tap on this forgot your password. There you go. If you wanted to know on how you can change password on Instagram, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way on how you can change your password in your Instagram, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.